Hey everyone, welcome to the new class in Utsav Yoga. This is Khushi Bajwa, your yoga and a flexibility trainer. And today I'm going to share a quick full body yoga flexibility routine, which is for all levels and from head to toe. So let's get started with the video. So we'll start with the hip width apart distance between your legs and just loosen up your muscles, loosen up your body and swing your hands side to side. Waking up the muscles, waking up the body. However you feel like, you can bend your knees, you can just move your body, move the upper body. Try to twist the spine as much as you can. Look towards the back wall and keep breathing. And relax. Roll your shoulders. 3 more times. Inhale. Exhale. And head circles. Rolling your head to the left shoulder, towards the right shoulder. Really opening the neck muscles, opening the upper body. Make sure you go anti-clockwise. And relax. More distance between your legs. Try to lower down with your legs going into a goddess position. Make a straight line with your hips. Lower down as much as you can. Press your hands on your knees. Lengthen through your spine. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the left side. Really pressing the right hand to the right knee. And exhale, relax. Once again, take a deep breath in, lengthen through the spine. And twist to the right side. Hold for 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Amazing guys, I hope you had fun doing this full body yoga flexibility with me. Like and subscribe Utsav Yoga for more content and have a beautiful day.